Hi, everyone. Hope you all are doing well and you have gotten through successfully your first week of the course and any other courses you've just started in the second 8 weeks. I wanted to give you some quick introductions and updates on Module 3 and Module 4. So as we're entering week 2, just some introductions on Module 3 and Module 4. In Module 3, we're really going to be talking about and introducing goal setting. And you probably all are very well aware of setting goals. You might have already done this previously. But specifically in this module, we're going to talk about SMART goals. So remember, SMART goals are specific, measurable, attainable, or actionable, realistic, and time-bound. So that's what SMART stands for, and there is actually a worksheet where it's going to require that you complete and create some SMART goals, okay? There's also a really cool TED Talk that I want you to watch and then answer some questions about. So that's all coming up in Module 3. In Module 4, we're talking a little bit about both the transfer process and preparing for the job search once you've graduated or once you've completed your credential with us. So in terms of the transfer process, we're going to introduce you about the Comprehensive Articulation Agreement, meaning this is how the courses that you're taking will transfer on, and these are the courses that will transfer on. We'll also talk a little bit about the Independent Articulation Agreement. So Comprehensive Articulation Agreement is the agreement that we have with all four-year institutions in North Carolina. The Independent Articulation Agreement is the agreement we have with independent colleges and universities in North Carolina. So keep that in mind. On the CTE side, so if you're not planning on transferring, we do have a section on different CTE pathways or career and technical education pathways that you can pursue at CCCC, and also professional organizations that you can think about joining that are connected to your particular career path. And that's really important because it just it gives you the opportunity to get continued education in your area of expertise. So a couple of assignments that are due in Module 4. First, a research assignment. So we're requiring, on the transfer side, we'd require that you research 2 different colleges or universities that you're thinking about transferring to. It's just going to require that you do some research on some information on those specific colleges and compare them. So that will give you a good idea of what to expect as you're preparing for the transfer process. On the CTE pathway, the CTE side, your research project is you're researching 2 different professional organizations that you could join that's connected to your career path. So, and that will then allow you to just gather more information about those professional organizations and, do some comparisons. And then the other assignment that's due in Module 4 is the career choice worksheet. And that's going to require that it's going to give you a big list of skills, and you're going through and selecting all the skills that you feel like are necessary for your career choice. And then it's going to ask you to narrow them down to the top 5 that you feel like are necessary for your career choice. And then it will force you or require that you rate yourself on each of those skills. So where do you land? Exceptional, needs improvement, or somewhere in between? Okay, so that's what's happening in Module 3. Again, if you have questions, you know my phone number and email. Please reach out to me, check in with me, and let me know how I can help you. Okay, take care. Hope your week goes well.